In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a heart icon in Figma. We're going to keep this simple and fast by pulling a ready-made heart from the Figma community and placing it into your own file. This approach is great when you need consistent, polished icons without drawing them from scratch. Start by opening your browser and heading to figma.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in so you can access community files and add them to your workspace. Next, open the community. You'll find it in Figma's top navigation. It's a huge library of public files, components, and icon sets shared by creators. In the search bar, type heart icon. You'll see a variety of results, from outline hearts to solid shapes and full icon packs. Take a moment to skim the previews. Look for a heart that matches your project's style, checking the line weight and whether it's a vector or a component. It's also a good habit to review the file's license details on the page to make sure it fits your usage. When you find a good match, click into the file to open its details page. If it looks right, click Open in Figma. This will open or duplicate the community file into your workspace so you can work with the assets directly. Inside the file, locate the heart icon on the canvas or in the Layers panel. Select it and copy it. On Windows, use Ctrl+C. On Mac, use Command+C. If the heart is part of a component set, that's fine. You can still copy the instance. You'll be able to adjust it later in your project if needed. Now switch to your own project file where you want the heart to live. You can use the tabs at the top of Figma or return through your recent files. Once you're in your project, paste the heart with Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. The icon will drop onto your canvas, ready to use. From here, you can resize it by dragging a corner handle. Hold Shift to keep the proportions. If the icon has a stroke, you can adjust the stroke weight and color in the right sidebar. For a solid heart, change the fill color to match your brand. If scaling affects stroke thickness, check your scale settings or adjust the stroke weight after resizing. And if it's a component instance, you can keep it linked for consistency or detach it if you need to customize the vector paths. That's it. You've added a heart icon from the community into your own Figma project quickly and cleanly.